I'm a doctor, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 4 nuts that all seniors should include in their diet and for nuts to avoid. But first, if you suffer from frequent bouts of vertigo, I'm going to share with you a simple trick that helps someone to get rid of vertigo naturally. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which can help to boost your immune system. They also contain magnesium, which can help to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This can help to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Almonds also contain fiber, which can help to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Brazil nuts are a good source of selenium, which is an important mineral for maintaining healthy skin and hair. Selenium is also an antioxidant, which means that it can help to protect cells against damage from free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells and lead to inflammation and disease. By protecting cells against free radical damage, antioxidants like selenium may be able to slow down the aging process and reduce the risk of age-related diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Walnuts are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Omega-3 south can help to improve memory and cognitive function, and may also help to reduce the risk of dementia. Walnuts also contain melatonin, which is a hormone that helps to regulate sleep cycles. This can help to improve sleep quality and may also help to reduce the risk of insomnia. Pistachios contain lutein, which is a pigment that is found in green leafy vegetables. Lutein is beneficial for eye health and may help to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Pistachios also contain phytosterols, which are compounds that can help to lower cholesterol levels. This can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Now, let's talk about the 4 nuts that seniors should avoid. Macadamia nuts are high in saturated fat, which can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Candied or sugar-coated nuts. These nuts are high in added sugars, which can contribute to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic conditions. Be careful of moldy or improperly stored nuts. Moldy nuts can be dangerous for seniors, as they may contain harmful toxins that can cause illness. It's important to store nuts properly to prevent mold growth. And lastly, raw or unsalted nuts. Eating raw or unsalted nuts can be dangerous for seniors as they may choke on these nuts. It's important to always chew food thoroughly before swallowing. If you want to learn about the top 7 foods that boost your immune system, go ahead and click the video on the screen now. And please remember to share this video with your family and friends so that they, too, can benefit. Stay healthy.